where technology brings the entire world to our fingertips, deep learning plays a vital role in solving major day to day issues. Hello everyone, I am Chahat Bindra from Team 26 and our topic for research for leading India.ai internship is extraction of information from medicines. We got the motivation of doing this project after seeing the plight of the visually impaired people. Visually impaired people suffer a lot in the society and get cheated by many people. One of them is being by shrewd chemists. So, we decided to solve this problem by designing a tool that can scan the images of the medicine and give the major information about them, like name of the medicine, manufacturing date, expiry date, MRP, etc., and convert it into speech format. We propose a model to detect and recognize the text from images and convert them into speech using deep learning framework. The process of extracting text data in a machine computer readable format from real world images is quite a complex and challenging task in computer vision. Our device would have three important functionalities, that is text detection, text recognition, and converting text into speech.
So after getting the clear image of our problem statement, we started looking for the pre-existing models that are used for text detection and text recognition. However, these models were not able to solve our purpose because the pre-trained models that we came across were either trained for one word or they were trained for specific font size and font style. So after surfing through these models, we came across a library called PyTorch OCR. In this, we used CTPN technique for text detection, and CRN for text recognition. We trained this model on a dataset called Total Text Dataset. This dataset contains around 1500 images of designer boards and flex boards, and we annotated this image in such a way that the name of the image is same as the text contained in that image. We trained this model for around 150 epochs. However, the loss was decreasing, but the accuracy was coming out to be 0. So we dumped this model and started looking for the new techniques.
So since PyTorch was not giving us the desired result that we want, so we shifted onto some different technique, that was EAST, efficient accurate scene text detector. So this is purely TensorFlow based approach, and we retrained the ResNet 50 model, that is pre-existing convolutional neural network that is 50 layers deep. So we retrained it on our dataset that contained around 10,000 images, and we trained it around 1000 epochs. So we got the result of 81%. Like the accuracy was 81% and the loss that we got was around 10%. So what this model resulted in, that when we pass an image, this model gave us the image that has rectangular box over all the text present in the image. So this image is then passed into another script that extracts the rectangular part of the image. Like if there are n rectangulars in the image, then this script runs every n time and it crops out the image, and this cropped image is then passed as a parameter to the PyTesseract library, which extracts the text. So this text is then returned into a file that is temporarily stored in the user device, and this from this file we convert this file, like the text detected, to the speech using a Python library that was pyttsx3 and Google Translator. So this is an offline API and is available for everyone, so we thought of using this, and I hope this technique will help the visually impaired people so that they will not be fooled again by the shrewd chemist.
Hi everyone, let me show you the quick demo of this project. So this is the file. When the image is passed through this file adds the bounding boxes over the text present in the image. For example, when this image was passed, then we got this bounding boxes over the text present in the image. Then this image is passed into another Python script. Then this Python script uses OpenCV to open the image, then Google Translator and this library to convert text into speech, and Pytesseract to extract the text from image. So what this file does is that it crops out the image, and this process happens n times if there are n bounding boxes in the image. So each cropped part has only the text, like a single text inside the bounding box. So this text, like this image, is passed into the Pytesseract library, and the result, that is the extracted text from the that cropped image, is then written to this file, text.txt file, and simultaneously the result is also converted into a speech, and the default language is being set as English. So let me show you the quick demo.
Olipka Bapodestine beside ophthalmic solution OMW/V Bapozerj, drops.
So this was the text detected, and you might have heard the speech too. So this text is even saved temporary in some other like the local folder. Like I'll just show you. So as you can see, this is the local folder, and this is the file that has been again edited. So this was all about the demo of this project.